Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item from Wasabi. This is a battery that I ordered, got in a couple days very quickly, and this is for my GoPro Hero 8 Black. And the reason why I ordered some replacement batteries because the original batteries died and they'd kind of, crapped out. So this is the kit I ordered. I ordered some different ones that didn't work out. This is a new one. I've been buying Wasabi batteries for a long time for a lot of different products. I've never had any issues at all. I probably should have went right back to this brand because I'm very happy with the quality of these batteries. So stay tuned to this video. I did a full test on from 100% almost down to zero. We're going to see how long one battery lasts in your GoPro. Okay, this is an approximate, of course, test, but I did a full test from 100% all the way down to zero. We timed it, so stay tuned to that. So how it comes in a box like you see here, and that box is this. Everything in here is in the kit. This two packages here had the two batteries in it and a little information about the company. So let's put this all to the side. Now it does come with the USB-A to USB-C charger, and this plugs in the back of the port here. Right here you can see, and it also has a micro USB as well connected, so you can do either or. So this does come with the cable, which is nice. I like that. It's small, it's compact, it's triple, so you can do 3 batteries at once. Now, and this is compatible with Hero 7 Black, Hero 6 Black, Hero 5. I have Hero 8, so a lot of different ones are compatible. That they have everything. I have a 3-year warranty for these products, which is fantastic. 100% satisfaction guarantee. And I dealt with this company, like I said, for a couple of years now and had no issues at all. Lithium-ion battery, premium grade cells. They last a long time and they fit perfectly, and they're licensed to work in the GoPro. A lot of times these batteries are not. Just so you know, very important. Again, works very well. Let's give you some of the specs information here. I just want to go over that real quick, and then we're going to get right to the test. So the battery specs are here. Again, Hero 8, 7, 6, and 5 on these. 1220 milliamp hour, 3.85 volts, and 4.7 watt hours. That's the specifications on this. And on the charger itself, it says a USB port is 5 volts, 2.1 amps. Output is 4.35 volts, 700 milliamps times 3. That's what we got here, 3 of them, which is really, really cool. Now, you can see how awesome it is that they just pop right in like this here. You can see they fit, they all branded. And I like this because you can have 3 batteries on the go. Now, I'll tell you, the test I did, it lasted a long time. Now, the only drawback, and this is just a GoPro issue, it got very, very hot. And I had my heat gun here, so take a look at that. And I'm going to show you how hot this got. I almost couldn't touch the camera. It was wicked hot, okay? Just to let you know. No fires, no issues. It just gets hot. That's just the way it goes. Okay, so these, like I said, and they fit really super snug in my GoPro. So some of these don't fit right, put it in the right way. These just slide in beautifully and they slide out, so no issues at all with that, which is really, really important. They work. They have no issues turning on, no issues powering up. As you can see, they power right up. There's no licensing issue. All the baloney that comes up. Sometimes these other ones you have to. It's just all kinds of issues. But this here worked perfectly. It worked flawlessly on my my GoPro. All right, so let's pull these out here. Now I want to just again show the USB cable. It comes with the charging caddy and 2 batteries, and no issues whatsoever. Made out of plastic. These batteries are all high quality batteries. They're going to work fine. It's got the pull tab just like the original GoPro does. I mean, this is probably a little bit thinner than the original, but other than that, that's just probably just a design issue. I don't think it's anything. As long as they slide in and slide out, no problem. It should be no issue at all. Again, I have a cable here, and you can just plug it in USB cable just like that. They light up green like that. And now when you pop the battery in, it'll either go into a charge mode, so this one's already charged, or it needs to be charged. So let's see. So these both need to be charged. They're in red. So these have to, because one of them is totally dead because I did a test yesterday. So let's just do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you the performance of this battery. So I'm definitely going to recommend this 1000%. They definitely work. So how they do is they're red when you put them in, and then when they're fully charged, they will go green. That's how they work. And just simple, just keep them in there. It'll just keep it charged, smart charge. Keep it trickled, and you're all set to go when you're on location. Pop these with you. You can take a portable battery charger with you, a portable battery pack, and just keep your GoPro batteries always charged when you're on location. So it's super easy to do. Now I have this hooked up to a USB-C to USB-C. You can use all kinds of different adapters. It doesn't really matter. Everything's pretty much cross-compatible. All right, let's just do the cutaway. I'm going to show you this video, how long this camera runs on one battery, and also how hot it got. Now, if I brought you some value, please check out that super thanks below. That super thanks button right below where it says thanks. That helps support my channel. Everything I do raise goes back into the channel to make more videos like this here, to educate you, motivate you, and also inspire you to make the right decision when you're looking for specific products. That's what it's all about. So I really appreciate that. And I thank you again for watching the video. Okay, you can see here I got the timer running, I got the camera on, and I am very surprised how hot this camera got. You won't believe, I almost couldn't hold it. It was extremely hot. It was getting painful, but luckily we have handles, and I mean, you really can't hold it in your fingers if you're doing a long term anyway. You have to use a gimbal or you have to use something. I use a stick, which is fine. But you can see here, this is running now its pace. I have it from 100%, and it's running down with a timer. So far, 11 minutes, and it's in good shape. I got a quick cutaways to show you some of the battery power, and also some shots of how hot the battery got, and also the GoPro itself. You'll be surprised. You got to watch to the end. You'll see. So right now we're at 69%. We're at 16 minutes in, still rocking and rolling. No issues. I never shut it off. I kept it running the whole time, 100%. That way, I really wanted to see if you had the GoPro set up somewhere, how long you will get out of it with these batteries. This is the original specifications for the original GoPro battery. These are fresh batteries. The cells are brand new, so it should last quite a while. I mean, what do you think? Leave some comments down below on how long your GoPro lasts with your battery situation. So this is at 34% now at 28 minutes. You can see that. And that's pretty good. 34%, almost a half an hour. That's actually really, really good. Now it's 125 degrees. That is very, very hot. The camera itself is 125 degrees. Now that's pretty hot. I was pretty nervous about that, but didn't get any hotter. That was about the range it stayed at. No fires, no issues. But you can see here again a cutaway. The power is at 9% now at 41 minutes, and that is a long time for one battery. And I took a quick test of the camera, and it's 130, 129, 126 right around there. You can see it fluctuating. 122, 132. That's hot. You can't even hold it at that temperature. I was burning my finger, honestly, in the bottom, because the bottom has that metal, the studs to hold the gimbal, to hold the GoPro. Now, again, we'll let it run through its pace. We've got to just see how actually long this runs. Now, an interesting fact that once it got down to like that 8-9%, it stayed there for a long time. As you can see here, we're at 52 minutes. This is one battery. So if you have two batteries, you can think about this almost 2 hours, right? And then you can charge up the other battery while this battery is being used, and you can go back and forth. And if you have 3 batteries, you're really good to go. So a compact battery that's a very, very good quality battery. You can see. Let me know in the comments down below what type of power you're getting out of your batteries. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I do appreciate that. I want to do a quick test and just show you how these batteries work and the operation. So it's getting lower and lower. It's about 9% now. There it goes. It's just shutting down. Almost give me a warning, tell me it's going to shut down. The GoPro shut down right around 53 minutes. You can see right there, the time I saw it and shut it off. Boom, there we go. Now take out the battery. I want to show you how hot this battery is by itself. The battery by itself, took it out of the camera. I want to show you how hot the battery is just by itself. Now the battery temperature itself is running about 138, 140 degrees, which is pretty toasty. All right, guys, that's the test. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe. Share the video. I do appreciate that. Hope you made your shopping experience fun and exciting. And I'm definitely going to recommend these batteries 100%. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.